Mesa Cutting Systems proudly presents its 5th generation laser cutting machine, Fiberblade 5. Mesa's high-speed cutting technology and extremely high efficiency leads to high productivity and reduced running costs. The simple and user-friendly global controller helps the operator to produce high-quality products with short-term training. The 24-inch colorful touchscreen makes the HMI extremely simple. Remote service, online diagnosis and troubleshooting can be done when the machine is connected with internet. The enhanced features like Ultra Jump, high-speed cutting, and Scan Cut are available as standard. High acceleration up to 1.5 G and rapid speed of 169 meters per minute increases performance and reduces non-cutting time. High dynamics and robust construction ensures accurate and quality metal cutting. Automatic plate alignment function, and height calibration saves preparation time. Vertical movement of shuttle table paves way for single level of cutting for efficient fume extraction. The Fiberblade 5 is a perfect solution to the increasing demand for fast, efficient and high-precision plate cutting operations. Mesa Cutting Systems, your partner of choice.